Folks, this ain't snow. This is sleet. And what it's getting ready to do ain't gonna be good. We had this sleet, had a little freezing rain underneath this. It's slicker than you know what out here. And I don't even know if this is gonna open or not. Oh yeah. I think I've got some, yeah. Got some sidewalk salt. But what it's fixing to do, and it's doing it right now, it's starting to rain right now. I don't know if you can see them trees up there or not. Let me see if I can zero in on them limbs. Can you see that ice starting to form on there? What we've got 20-degree air down here on the bottom on where we're at. And up there, warm air is moving in over the top of us, so we're fixing to get some freezing rain. That's where we lose our power and all that kind of stuff. But the birds are out of food, and the wife's kind of funny about her birds, and I'd just soon be in there enjoying that fire right there. But anyway, I've got an idea. I'm not going to drive to the feed store to get bird seed today because it's wild and woolly out there, and I'm just not going to risk it. But I've got an idea. We're gonna fix them birds up. You can hear that ice popping. It's slick. Well, you know it's cold when when ice won't melt this stuff. And of all things, it just thundered. I put this on there about 15 minutes ago. Hey, at least you can walk on it. All right, what we got here is a few ears of our old Hickory King corn that we grew last year. We got some of it. We got our old Black Hawk sheller. shell that off. We're going to take it in, we're going to grind it for the birds. We made short work of that. Old technology. It still works. That's a whole bunch of corn right there. Let's grind it up. Yeah, feeders are full. I'm tired of cranking. Everybody try to stay warm and dry. See ya.